Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by accessing the launcher controls so you can remove the leftmost Discover panel. Long press a blank area on the home screen and choose Home Settings or Launcher Settings. If you see a toggle for the left panel or Smart Assistant, turn it off now to remove Discover immediately. Once done, check the leftmost screen. If there is no toggle present, make sure you have the Google app available to disable next. This is the only way on some Oppo builds. Next, you'll remove the feed by disabling the Google app that provides Discover. Open Settings, go to Apps or App Management, find Google, then tap Force Stop and choose Disable or Uninstall Updates, then Disable. This stops the feed from supplying content to the left home screen. You may need to confirm system warnings. Accept them. Once disabled, reboot the phone so the launcher refreshes and the leftmost Discover panel can disappear for good. Finish by checking the home screens. The Discover panel should be gone. If you still see cards, clear the launcher cache in Settings Apps Launcher Storage, then restart. If the system launcher forces Discover back, consider installing a third-party launcher, like Nova, and set it as default. That immediately removes the feed. Make sure you understand re-enabling Google will restore Discover, so keep it disabled unless you need integrated Google features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.